I think it'll help both because I'm going there with the intention to learn a lot because I know some of the other panelists. I know them personally, and I know that they've also started new companies and they've done a phenomenal job of it. So I would like to learn from what they have done well. Similarly, I would like to pass on my best practices as a new hotel far away from downtown. I mean, Gachibowli is not Banjara Hills or Jubilee Hills. So how have we managed to succeed in this competitive world? So I would like to share my best practices for anybody who wants to take it up. The students will benefit from all of us. I mean, the students are at an age where they need to get actual practical ideas as to how businesses succeed. And I think all the people put together, all the panelists are quite eminent, and I'm sure the students will gain from each one of our experiences. I felt honored because I'm not one of the existing large chains that have existed here for many years. And in a short span of time, if Masterclass, or not just Masterclass, if the city accepts the fact that we are now a product which is competitive and a product that's successful and a product that's has respect in the city, I think it was an honor for me to get selected, and I'm happy that I can participate. Yes, sir. See, the most important thing for a hotel person has to be that he has to like people. We are in the people's business. If you don't like people, then you will have issues with your guests. You will definitely have issues with your team. They will not be happy to work for you. As a result, they will not deliver great service. So the guests will not come back to you. So I think as the people management is very, very important. For a luxury hotelier like I am, and like all of us in the luxury segment, the eye for detail is very important. Quality and eye for detail is very critical to a luxury hotelier's success. I also think that he must be a good finance man because he has to understand the numbers. In today's world, at least even if I'm running a hotel, I have to run a successful hotel. So that means I have to make the numbers match. Also, I feel that in the hotel industry, it's a lot to do with relationships. If you are good as a relationship manager, you will succeed, because over a period of time mistakes will happen whenever you're working with your customers, you're working with your corporates. There will be some mistakes that happen sometimes, but if you have a good relationship, I think it doesn't break so soon. I think it's a visionary start. Masterclass is, I think, pioneering this. They're introducing to the youngsters and their college students and to the students of India how successful businesses are set up, how they're managed, and I think it will benefit. Hyderabad will definitely benefit, and I'm told that they're doing it in other cities, and it will in every city, and through media like yourselves, it will benefit the whole of the country, I'm sure, to the youth of India. Thank you.